god! The moment is finally here. I have actually started doing things. I have put in the subfloor. Very exciting, but it's actually the first step of actual construction. So the subfloor is made of 1/2-inch oriented strand board, also known as OSB. I chose that because it's very durable. I chose a 1/2 inch because, well, every 1/4 of an inch in height matters as far as being able to sit on the bed. Will eventually be where I am here without hitting my head on the ceiling. So I chose 1/2 inch rather than 3/4 inch. This is on the floor to then be able to actually attach the countertop and the bed to that. It's not actually drilled down to the floor, it's just going to be held in place by its weight. I did do specific cutouts around things like the wheel well. I did very detailed measurements. I actually ended up abandoning some of the little cuts I had because they were like a 1/2 inch strip of wood, and that was going to be silly when it came time to put down my laminate flooring to try to put a 1/2 inch strip of wood there. So I cut it out of oriented strand board using a Rockwell VersaCut. It is the highest rated that I can find on the internet small circular saw. So I used that to make my cuts to get it around the spaces. I had Home Depot do the big cuts to get me 2 large pieces, and then I cut out the rest with the VersaCut. I then would finish those cuts just using a cutting tip on my cordless Dremel tool.
Next, I installed underlayment to the underside of the OSB. The underlayment provides additional cushion between the OSB and the van floor, therefore reducing surface noise and sound transference. Normally, the underlayment does not adhere to the flooring, but given this unusual application, I adhered it using spray adhesive.
Now I actually left a gap between the 2 boards and the floor because that is where I'm going to run electrical cable. So the electrical system will be on the driver's side of the van over here, but my counter is going to be over here. So I'm actually going to be running that electrical cable under the floor between those 2 chunks of subfloor. So it creates a little electrical channel. So that's why that is there. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I may put some like insulation around the edges so it doesn't move around, so it doesn't bang off the walls and the wheel well, but that is the start. So we have officially started building, and I am very excited to continue. Thanks for watching.